Hi, I'm Jasmine,
And I'm Nino.
and we're here to teach you how to play volleyball.
And the physics behind it.
Okay, in order to make a good pass, the player must be in the ready position. The ready position is when the player has their knees bent and their back straight and their arms like this, ready to hit the ball. When the player is ready to hit the ball, they should extend their arms out like this and have the flat part of their arm facing out like this. That way, the ball can hit this part of their arm and bounce off. The players are alert and are prepared to move in any direction. They start in the ready position and never have their legs completely straight when passing the ball. And here's the physics behind passing. So when the ball is moving in the air and accelerating toward another player, the player should be in the ready position with their legs bent like this. When their legs are bent like that, it will absorb the impact of the ball coming into contact with the player's arm. After the ball hits the player's arms, it should bounce off and into another direction or to another player. To calculate the velocity of the ball as two players are passing it, you use the formula V equals d over t. V is the velocity, d is the distance between the two players, and t is the amount of time it takes for the ball to travel from one player to another. To find the velocity, you divide the distance by the time. Okay. In volleyball, serving is really important because you have to try to get the ball on the other side of the net. If you don't get it to the other side, then the other team will score a point. One kind of serve is the underhand serve. To do this, you hold the ball in one hand like this. You step forward with one foot and use the heel of your palm, this part of your hand, to hit the ball. So putting it all together, it should go like this. And here's the physics behind underhand serving. The ball is the object and your hand is the force. When you hit the ball like this, your hand will apply a force to the ball, which will cause it to accelerate toward the other side of the net. To calculate the acceleration of the ball when a player serves it, you use the formula A equals Vf minus Vi over t. Vf is the final velocity, Vi is the initial velocity, and t is the time it takes for the ball to travel to the other side of the net. To find the acceleration, you divide the velocity by the amount of time it takes for the ball to get to the other side of the net.
Okay, so now you learn how to play volleyball and the physics behind it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to Team Manila! Hey!
We are always running for the thrill of it, always pushing up the
Let's go learn, guys! Okay, let go. Do it. Do it. Okay. Okay. I don't know what to say. Now I don't know what to say. Okay. So,